Morning, buddy. Look at Mango and Lady May. They got paint. They can see all this rubbing right here they did. Oh, the cabbages ate the GoPro. Cool, dude. You just got concrete. Double cement truck in it. What is going on, girls? Welcome back to another video. Guess what today is? You see the truck behind me? It's officially the day we've all been waiting for. Concrete. We have a CMX truck literally right here. I wish I could say this was sponsored by CMX, but it was not. It was actually sponsored by someone even better. Manscape.com, the global leader in men's grooming tools and hygiene solutions. Luckily, Manscaped's got you covered. They've got everything you'll need from head to toe grooming as part of their performance package bundle. Let's see what's inside. This is ball deodorant, ball toner. Of course, our lawnmower 4.0 fresh in the package. Here's one that I've used many times. Boxers, and then obviously all the accessories right here. And underneath we have, of course, the beautiful Manscaped travel bag. Some of my favorite products include the lawnmower 4.0. I use it on an every other day basis, literally. It is waterproof, cordless, has an LED light, and one of my favorites is the triple click travel lock. All you gotta do is this. 1, 2, 3. That light at the bottom, now it's locked. I can click this, it doesn't turn on. So if it's sitting in your shoecase, and when you get to your destination, 1, 2, 3, right back on. And let me tell you, the ball deodorant keeps that area down there cool, hydrated, and smelling good all day long. Now, let me talk about what's inside this box. Hey, eyes up here. I'm sorry, it's hard. Look at these things. Manscaped just released the new collection of anti-chafing, high-performance boxer briefs with both function and fashion in mind. With this release, there's now a total of 6 different color combinations to choose from. Dude, these are sick. Now, you know, we can go conservative and just go all black. These are super clean. They still got that little Manscaped logo, but it's like faded, you know? You can keep it classy with some gray pinstripe right here, or you can make a statement with these gold nugget Manscaped boxers. That is sweet. These new anti-chafing high-performance boxer briefs are on another level. You also have the option to select single units or bundle up and save with their 3-pack options sold exclusively at manscaped.com. Now sure, they look great, right? But the real secret is the new jewel pouch design. Anti-chafing, smooth, flat lock seams. These waistbands literally hug your body without like digging into your skin. We got the front fly opener. You know what that's for. Let's just say it makes bathroom breaks a lot more efficient. Manscaped didn't only upgrade my wardrobe, I'm feeling ready for anything in these things. I could run 17 miles. Now click that link down below, manscaped.com/Paul, and get 20% off your order plus free international shipping. That's manscaped.com/Paul, 20% off plus free international shipping. Thank you so much, Manscaped, for sponsoring today's video. Let's get on with it. I heard the truck, I was sleeping, I'm waking up, it's like 7 a.m. I'm like, cement! Ran outside, filmed my GoPro. So I'm just gonna let this GoPro footage roll of the first load of concrete going in, but I'm giving you full raw footage of the first thing of concrete going down right now. Enjoy that, and then I'll see you right back here. A lot of concrete. Oh, bare feet. And I just could have stepped on this. That would not have been good. Oh, another one. So truck number 1 did about a quarter of what we're gonna need. So probably about 4 or 5 truckloads if I had to guess. 3 truckloads, I was off. Good morning, buddy. It's early. I don't think I've ever seen you guys this night, maybe a couple times. My trail was finally starting to grow back from the dirt trucks and now cement. It's just gonna destroy it again. Hey, buddy. How you doing this morning? I gotta turn your fan on. There you go, bud. Oh, yeah. You have to be in there for a couple more hours, okay? Look at Mango and Lady May. They got paint all over their face. Lady May, What do you, like, what'd you get into, bro? It will just rinse off through time, but it's just funny to see all the white paint. Their house just got painted. Yeah, they did some rubbing. You can see all this rubbing right here they did. Sounds like a pig screaming. It is crazy how much concrete is in that truck. Insane. Hey Mark, you ever take a nice bite of it? A nice like, yeah? Not on purpose. Double cement trucking it. Double cement trucking it right now. It looks crazy. The pad is getting finished. That is the third and last truck right here. It was 3 trucks total. I'm excited to see how it finally looks once it's all obviously flat, glossy. Colo, dude, you just got concrete all over your freaking, you jumped right in it, dude. Oh my goodness. That's the difference for once. Mia's usually the one getting into trouble. What are you doing, bro? I'm taking drone footage and Koa just jumps right into the concrete. I don't know if I got it. Oh my goodness, buddy. You're crazy. Check this out, fellas. We got a slab of concrete. Months and months and months and months and months of waiting. Now, obviously, this is just part of what they have to do today. Once it dries up a little bit, they bring that circle sand thing. I don't know what it's called. I ain't no concretist. Oh, you contractors out there are definitely laughing at me. This thing right here, and they, yeah. It's that time of day. Time to feed the 3,600 gallon. Oh. There it is, a little platinum action. I actually have the GoPro, not sure, the sun is in the wrong spot. Usually in the morning's the best time to film this, but you can probably see on the GoPro. Oh, the catfishes ate the GoPro. Feed up, man, feed up.
Everybody gotta eat.
Yep, there's so many beautiful fish in this thing. And I'm about to show you where they're gonna go here in just a couple weeks. Right here, hand feed this guy. Woo! Put it right on his nose. Bam. There goes the gar. Here, buddy. These 2 pieces of one pond, the 5,500 gallon Cuffaros, is about to actually start getting moved over to the slab. Now that the slab is done, we're gonna bring this pond over and put it onto the slab. Probably not today, because I need a lot more muscle for that. Oh, I forgot the hose was on. I'm sure you guys are loving the fact that I did forget that. It's a hot day anyway. Hey, Bubba, what's going on, buddy? This is what it looks like one day later, literally the afternoon after the pour. Check it out. The slab looks crazy. No more wood on the sides. They actually came this morning and cut down the middle, but I'm standing on our future fish room. And it is baking in the sun, which is good, and it's extremely large. Like, we have a lot to work with here. My malfunction fountain is still malfunctioned. There is indeed some goldfish over here. A couple more down right there. And yesterday there was a full pod, but I'm sure those are down deeper into the pond right now. We put 600 goldfish in that pond in the last video if you haven't seen it. Back to the building talk though. I mean, this is crazy. It's surreal. It doesn't feel real. And I'm not gonna lie, this project right here, this concrete was about $12,000. So I wanna shout out every single one of you that watch every single video, because obviously you helped make this possible, and especially our sponsors as well. Manscape, thank you so much for making this exact project possible. It's crazy the amount of money we are putting into this property, but it's truly what I love to do. And to see this right here, I could not be happier. Shh, Mango's sleeping. Mango's sleeping. Mango. Almost there. We're so close. Of course, once the building goes up, we have electricity, AC, and little things that, you know, we'll do real quick on the channel. The building, the rest of the building that is 9 foot tall, 12 foot at the peak, will be up next weekend. So be looking forward to those videos. Make sure to subscribe down below. what a journey this has been to just get the slab of concrete done. You know what's crazy is I'm very excited for the building itself, of course, but I'm even more excited to finally be able to just finish off the enclosures, connecting these posts right here, getting the rest of the fence, connecting it to the corner of the building, and doing the same over there, getting the corner of Lady Mae Mangoes, connecting it to the building. That way I could start getting my ducks over here, and of course move all these pigs out of this more sunny area, get all these pigs and move them into the corner over there where it's nice and shaded by these trees. Like this will all be theirs right here. From this corner post right here, straight to the corner of the building. All this. Hopefully you all enjoyed. I know it's a shorter video for sure, but I'm actually not posting tomorrow, but the following day I'll have another video live for you guys. So again, thank you so much everyone for watching these videos. Daisy's got a buzz cut. Look at her. She's got a buzz cut. She dropped all her hair. We got a slab. Look how thick the slab is, by the way. 12 inches. Inside the footers is 5 inches right here. We did it. We did it. We did it. That's all I can say. Peace. Mantis shrimp is literally curled up around a crab I just gave him. He's got the whole crab right there.